Hello, today I am going to guide you on how to make a directory in Excel. If you regularly need to create a list of folders, don't waste time doing it one by one. With a simple .bat file, you can automate this task instantly. Create a list of folder names in Excel. Press Ctrl+E to select a list of folder names. Copy the list by pressing Ctrl+C. Open Notepad. Paste the list into Notepad with Ctrl+V. Save the file with .bat at the end. Locate the save.bat file and double-click it. The folders will instantly be created in the same directory. With just a few simple steps, you can create dozens or even hundreds of folders instantly using a .bat file. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.